Hello everyone, my name is Andrew and this is my presentation on the science of climate change. So the first question, is climate change happening? Climate change is happening and it has been happening for the past couple of decades. If we take a look at the graph here, we have this anomaly in temperature near 1940, around the industrial, like near the end of the industrial revolution. But then after that we see more anomalies happening with more inventions using fossil fuels as their primary fuel source, and then we come up here to the 1980s, bigger engine cars, basically consuming more gas, and then we see a rise in more vehicles around in like late 1990 to up to 2010 now. Does climate change threaten human civilization? I would say yes, because of the previous concepts that we've looked at, like ocean rising or rising oceans caused by climate change. This is a map of the United Kingdom. The red part details the ocean rising and the area that can be affected. So we have Boston, Norwich, and Hemsby. These areas will be affected and they'll affect hundreds of thousands of people, forcing them to move out of that area into areas surrounding. And it could cause overpopulation and shortages in food and water, and just shortages in housing as well in certain areas. Against the argument asked, climate change is a global phenomenon. Just because one area experiences colder weathers doesn't mean another area doesn't experience hotter or warmer temperatures. These are two different areas or two different landscapes. One is a desert, one is a snowy landscape. But these places couldn't can be affected by climate change. Although you can probably not tell the difference as much. One area could begin to increase in temperature, like here in Arizona. Right now, we're kind of noticing that the cold weather is coming a little later than usual. I mean, we're already like in the middle of November, and it's still upwards of 80 degrees in the middle of the day, maybe 90. And usually it would be like around maybe 70 or 60 by now. And then what do I think that we should do? Um, so back in the deep dive, the video of the green cement, I thought this was a pretty cool idea to cut emissions down in the processing of this cement. I think we need more inventions or something that helps with like cutting down emissions during production, because I feel like that's where we really produce a lot of CO2 in man-made production. These are my references. Thank you.